The hidden power of color in your professional image can transform your presence overnight. What if the right shades could redefine your authority? Understanding seasonal color analysis goes beyond simple preferences. It's about scientific accuracy. Before we get started, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. It will be one of your best accessories on your confidence journey. Clarifying warm versus cool tones means no more guessing with online quizzes that can often be misleading. My clients are so delightful, and some of the ladies who work with me have changed their executive presence through strategic color choices and have kindly given me permission to share their stories. Did you know that environment and lighting can play crucial roles in this analysis? Many women dismiss colors they love as off-limits. Why do we feel such restrictions when it comes to our wardrobe choices? Let's look at how preferences can create blind spots, as it were, in your color palette. Learning to match your skin tone with the right shades. For example, warm black versus cool black opens a world of possibilities. Remember in one of our last videos, we compared our friendly colors as being both warm and cool? We can do the same with the basic wardrobe selections you've already made at this point. Did you find that your black skirt was not quite the same black as the jacket you put it with in that capsule? This picture illustrates that. Once again, you can see there are warm blacks and cool blacks. Therefore, when a client tells me they cannot wear black and they love it, we look at whether they should choose a warm black or a cool black when building their clothing capsules. Please meet Debbie and see how experimenting with colors was liberating and eye-opening. Debbie was under the impression she had warm skin tones and so therefore should wear lots of browns. Debbie shied away from primary colors, but as I got to know her, I could see she had an outgoing personality, which also told me she was holding back from enjoying color. I'm always grateful when my clients give me permission to share their story and before and after pictures. Yes, a picture is worth 1,000 words, and this before and after of Debbie speaks volumes. Your personality might dictate your color choices, but your skin tone defines what truly works. Understanding color analysis led to a personal discovery for Debbie to know how to create a balanced and authoritative wardrobe with ease. The science behind color analysis is fascinating. Have you ever seen how different colors impact not just your looks, but your mood and confidence? Color layering and interactions can bring vibrancy or dullness based on colors surrounding you. Remembering that color influences color when you're shopping for clothing or makeup, think about the lighting in which you are working and shopping. Generally, it can be rather blue. Are you making your selection? Go ahead and take that article of clothing over to a window and compare it with your color fan. There will be a more accurate reading of whether the garment in question is blue or yellow based in its color. When selecting makeup, use your fan to decide on the correct color. And remember Debbie? When she was wearing brown, it made her skin also appear to be more brown. Be a little adventurous and steer clear of browns and give yourself some great color in selecting lipstick or lip gloss. When having your colors done, be sure that the consultant is creating a controlled environment for means to see accurate reflections of how each shade interacts with your skin. Is the consultant using color tests in your consultation to ensure an objective, personalized approach unlike any AI online tool? Even if your consultant is working with you virtually, as I do with many of my clients, are you being asked to supply accurate pictures taken in sunlight and away from influencing color for your consultant to work with accuracy in that final analysis? Now that you understand the science, what practical steps can you take towards your ideal wardrobe? Reinventing your wardrobe is a powerful act of self-care. Are you ready to step into being the powerful woman you are meant to be? As you're building your color confidence with these essential tips, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It'll be your best accessory on your confidence journey. Or you can click on my link and book a 2-minute discovery call. And of course, you do have available my ebook, Basic Wardrobe Suggestions from Color Me a Season, as your visual guide. Ready to embody your professional presence? Let's explore the next step to maximize your style. How to confidently choose makeup colors that flatter you. I'll see you in the next video.